Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Arshi. Welcome to another haul video with me. This time we are doing an Amazon clothing haul. Amazon has been quite popular for clothes. I have seen it everywhere on IG Reels. So I thought I should give it a try. So this time I bought 4 tops. Now I know it is quite less, so let's call it a mini haul. Come on, let's begin with the video. The first top we have is this very gorgeous one that I'm wearing right now. It is with this trendy cutout detail on the shoulder. It is in this very pretty olive green color. The fabric of the top also feels quite heavy and thick to touch. It seems to be of good quality. It is in this ribbed material. I feel it is a bit too cropped, so I would suggest wearing a high-waisted denim with it to hide that little belly that you might have. I got it only for Rs 320 in medium size and it fits me really well. The seller from whom I bought the product had it in many colors, but the colors seemed to be very muted. I have left the link to the product in the description box below. Do check it out. And also keep in mind one thing, that there are some sellers who charge a specific delivery charge for every product that you order. If you are ordering a lot of items, the delivery cost will add up to look huge. I can say this top is my absolute favorite one. The next top we have is this full sleeved crop top. It is in this very cute blush pink color. The color looks absolutely dreamy and very delicate. It also has this ruching detail in the front. This ruching detail is very trendy right now. Now since it is a crop top, I would recommend wearing those wide leg denim with it. It will give a very good fit to your body. Now coming to the fabric, it is in this very heavy polyester material. The fabric is of good quality and does not look synthetic, even though it is. It is very smooth and very soft to touch. Now guys, I just love its neckline. It is a perfect square neckline to show off your super sexy collarbones. It is in full sleeves and the sleeves are very snug to the body. But since it is a crop top, I don't think you will feel very warm in it. It is absolutely summer appropriate. I got it in size M and it fits me really well. Now you can find some great deals on Amazon because the price are very reasonable. Talking about this top, I got it only for Rs 320, which I think is a very good deal. They had it in many colors, but I would suggest going with the lighter shade because only then it will bring out the ruching detail on the bust area beautifully. The next top we have is this white one. It is from the same seller as the earlier pink one. The color of this top is in very bright white. And the thing that attracted me to buy this top was its neckline. I mean, it is very uncommon to find a neckline like this one. It is neither a U nor it is a square. It is a shape you will get if you cut the upper part of a triangle and only are left with the bottom half. Very unique, right? The fabric of the top is exactly similar to the earlier pink one. Contrary to the earlier tops that I showed, this one is quite long, so you can tuck it in your jeans to style it better. It is also in these long snug sleeves which you can use to stay away from tanning when you're going out in the scorching heat. I got it for Rs 330, but right now it is available at a slightly higher price. It is also available in many colors, but I would suggest going with the lighter tones because it is long sleeved and longer in length also, so the lighter tone will protect you from the heat. This one also, as usual, I got in size M and it fits me really well. Now coming to the last top of this haul, we have the zebra printed top. Now guys, I did not like the top and ultimately I had to file for a return. The fabric is in this very thin and very cheap looking rayon material. It does not look premium at all. The sleeves also hang very weirdly on my arms. I mean, they are not full length, they are neither till the wrist nor they are body hugging. It does not give a very good feel. It is so cropped that if I lift my hand up to grab up something, it might lead to a wardrobe malfunction, and you don't want that. Now coming to the positive side of the top, because we should not be negative in life and focus on the positive. So I will tell you something positive about this top as well. I love the string details on the side of the top. You can use them to give a bit of structure to the top if you're thinking of buying it, but personally I would not recommend buying it. Now guys, this was the most expensive item in this haul for rupees 340, which ultimately I had to return. I got it in size M, maybe that's why it fits weirdly. So if you're still thinking about going for this top, I would suggest going for a size smaller than you usually wear. Maybe it will fit you good then. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking till the end. Now if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more fashion related videos. Bye bye!